You may be amazed by what artificial intelligence, or AI, can do nowadays. For examples, expressive power of ChatGPT, direction guide in Google Maps, AI-enabled web search, Netflix recommendation for movie lovers, facial recognition-enabled border control system, private intelligent assistant Siri and Google Home, just to name a few. The coming new industry era will see humans leverage the technological gains in machine learning, automation, big data, and the Internet of Things, IoT, and transform them into human-machine collaborative solutions to a vast range of challenges. AI is the backbone of all of these solutions. AI Plus or AI in X becomes one of the driving forces in the digital economy. But do you know artificial intelligence has a long history of 70 years? We are experiencing the third boom in the AI history driven by three factors: supercomputational power, big data, and advanced algorithms. The large language models, such as ChatGPT, have marked a significant shift from narrow AI to general AI. A global survey of more than 3,000 executives revealed that more than half of respondents are deploying AI. AI solutions are more prolific and easier to deploy than ever before, and companies around the globe are seizing on the opportunity to keep up with this exciting trend. So, as the future generation of AI professionals, are you excited to start your learning journey with this introductory AI subject? During this subject, you will be exposed to a wide range of AI techniques in 6 key AI areas, which are problem-solving through searching, learning from examples and experiences, including decision tree, linear regression, support vector machine, neural networks and reinforcement learning, computer vision for perception and natural language processing for communication, knowledge representation, and knowledge-based inference and reasoning. This subject has been designed to achieve UTS graduate attributes with a focus on developing both technical and personal skills. The 6 content modules give you a wide range of exposure in key AI areas. The lab sessions provide hands-on practice of selected AI techniques. The knowledge test and development of mini AI application examples provide opportunities for you to demonstrate your AI knowledge base, technical skills in applying selected AI techniques, and reporting skills. During the group project, you will communicate and work collaboratively with your teammates to identify actionable insights in an exciting real-world problem and develop a solution plan for this problem. This will help you gain valuable teamwork experience and develop reflection skills in an exciting AI application project. The learning journey in this subject will empower you with AI thinking and problem-solving capability to prepare you to be an AI professional. The teaching team is excited to teach you how to harness the power of AI and equip you with practical and current industry-ready skills. We wish you the best and look forward to supporting you along the way.